Hello, we have an awesome one here today. My name's Tony from Smile, Create, Repeat, and I'm going to show you the February 2021 surprise. So let's see what we got in this month's box. All right, we got a postcard showing some artwork. We have a Smile, Create, Repeat sticker, a cool palette and art supplies. It's a nice one. Let me put that right there. We have our little gift pack of supplies. Let's see what we got in here this month. Ooh, we got some good stuff. We have a Derwent sketching wash pencil. Nice. Graphite. We have a Winsor Newton watercolor pencil. Also nice. And I'll explain more about these later in a minute. We have our Kimberly pencil, 3H. That's a harder graphite. We have a Lyra Aquacolor watercolor crayon. Nice. And we have a Winsor Newton Scepter Gold Sable synthetic brush. Nice. So, and we have our Smile, Create, Repeat pencil, so you know where you got your amazing art supplies. And these are all water soluble except for the pencil, the regular pencil, the Kimberly pencil. So when you add water to them, they make watercolor effects, and it's really cool. And the great thing about that is you have watercolor paper here from Ecoline. It's a very smooth paper, so you won't get the texture of the paper in your artwork. And you have your creative card showing all of explaining the supplies. And then you have a link down here to go to our YouTube channel to watch a demonstration video demonstrating these and giving you extra little pointers. So I highly recommend you check that out because there's just a lot of fun little things you can do with these supplies, and I want you to get the most out of them. So I hope you enjoyed that. Again, this is the February 2020 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. We hope you enjoy it. Have a great month, and remember to smile, create, repeat.